Everyone must agree to exam security policies before they can take the NBLEX. The following video explains the exam security agreement.
This video has been developed to remind you of your legal responsibilities when you take the licensing examination. It has also been developed in response to multiple recent examination breaches that have resulted in significant damage to examination owners, the licensing boards, and the public they serve. Before you're allowed access to the examination, you must acknowledge that you understand and agree to the legal rights and restrictions that help ensure the integrity of the examination process. This acknowledgement also verifies that you recognize the importance of reporting valid exam results to the licensing board. When you apply for a license and register for your examination, it is important for you to understand that you have entered into contracts that create a binding legal relationship between you and the licensing board and between you and the examination owner. Any breach of these agreements can result in the invalidation or cancellation of your examination score, a restriction or prohibition from access to future examination administrations, a sanction against your professional license up to and including revocation of licensure, as well as civil and criminal penalties under state and federal laws. These laws are designed to protect the intellectual property rights of the exam owner and the integrity of the licensure process. High-stakes licensure examinations, like those used in your profession, are developed, administered, scored and maintained to meet complex legal requirements. Licensure examinations are legally validated to assess the competence of the test taker. Prior access to examination materials actually contained on this test can invalidate the pass-fail determinations and threaten the integrity of the licensure process. If you have had prior access to actual exam materials or been offered prior access to such materials, notify the proctor for further direction. Test takers are also prohibited from sharing examination materials actually contained on the test with any person or entity. This prohibition includes any means of collecting or sharing this protected information, such as through electronic duplication, recording devices, or any other mechanism of removing or transmitting test questions or responses from the test center, even recalling information from memory. In short, do not discuss with or provide the examination questions and responses to anyone. This video is intended to reiterate the legal rights of the exam owner and the regulatory board where you are seeking licensure, and to impress upon you the importance of these legal obligations. You will be given the option to click on an Agree button at the test center. By clicking on the Agree button, you are attesting to the fact that you have not been provided access to actual examination materials before this test. You will not access any such materials during the examination experience, and you will not share any such protected information after your exam experience. If you do not understand or cannot agree to the terms of the contract signed by you related to access to the examination program, please notify the proctor at the test center, who will help you determine what to do next. Good luck on the licensure examination and the pursuit of your professional career.
If you do not understand or cannot agree to the terms of the contract signed by you related to access to the examination program and the recognition of the contents of this video, please notify the FSMTB immediately. A transcript of this video is available on the FSMTB website.